Hi, my name is Twinkle. Today I am telling the geographical knowledge of 226 countries of the world along with their capitals. As you can see, the map is blank. So let's start. Greenland, Nuuk, Saint Perry, Canada, Ottawa, USA, Washington, and Alaska, Anchorage, Honolulu, Hawaii Island capital, Honolulu, Puerto Rico capital, San Juan, Puerto Rico capital, San Juan, Virgin Island capital, Charlotte Amalie, Mexico capital, Mexico City, Bermuda, Hamilton, Bahamas, Nassau, Guatemala capital, Guatemala City, Belize capital, Belmopan, El Salvador capital, San Salvador, Honduras capital, Tegucigalpa, Nicaragua capital, Managua, Costa Rica capital, San Jose, Turks and Caicos Island capital, Grand Turk, Cuba capital, Havana, Cayman Island capital, Georgetown, Jamaica capital, Kingston, Haiti capital, Port-au-Prince, Santo Domingo capital, Dominican Republic capital, Santo Domingo, British Virgin Island, Road Town, Antigua capital, The Valley, Saint Kitts and Nevis capital, Bessieres, Antigua and Barbuda capital, St. John's, Montserrat capital, Red States, Guadeloupe capital, Pointe Pitre, Dominica capital, Rousseau, Martinique capital, Fort-de-France, Saint Lucia capital, Castries, Saint Vincent and Grenadines capital, Saint Vincent, Kingston, Bridgetown, Barbados capital, Bridgetown, Trinidad and Tobago capital, Port of Spain, Netherlands and Antilles capital, Curacao, Aruba capital, origin state, Venezuela capital, Caracas, Suriname capital, Georgetown, Guyana capital, Georgetown, Suriname capital, Paramaribo, French Guiana capital, Tiny, Brazil capital, Brasilia, Paraguay capital, Montevideo, Uruguay capital, Ascension, Uruguay capital, Montevideo, Argentina capital, Buenos Aires, Chile capital, Santiago, Bolivia capital, La Paz, Peru capital, Lima, Peru capital, Ecuador capital, Quito, Colombia capital, Bogota, Panama capital, Panama City, Iceland capital, Reykjavik, Iceland capital, Tórshavn, Norway capital, Oslo, Sweden capital, Stockholm, Norway capital, Finland capital, Helsinki, Russia capital, Moscow, Estonia capital, Tallinn, Latvia capital, Riga, Lithuania capital, Vilnius, Belarus capital, Minsk, Ukraine capital, Kyiv, Poland capital, Warsaw, Germany capital, Berlin, Denmark capital, Copenhagen, Netherlands capital, Amsterdam, Belgium capital, Brussels, Luxembourg capital, Luxembourg, United Kingdom capital, London, Dublin, Ireland capital, Dublin, France capital, Paris, Morocco capital, Monte Carlo, Andorra capital, Andorra, Portugal capital, Lisbon, Gibraltar capital, Gibraltar, Spain capital, Madrid, Malta capital, Valletta, Italy capital, Rome, Switzerland, San Marino capital, San Marino, Switzerland capital, Bern, Liechtenstein, Vaduz, Slovenia capital, Ljubljana, Austria capital, Vienna, Czech Republic capital, Prague, Slovenia capital, Bratislava, Hungary capital, Budapest, Croatia capital, Zagreb, Bosnia capital, Sarajevo, Serbia capital Belgrade, Romania capital Bucharest, Moldova capital Chisinau, Bulgaria capital Sofia, Macedonia capital Skopje, Albania capital Tirana, Athens, Greece capital Athens, Georgia capital Tbilisi, Azerbaijan capital Baku, Armenia capital Yerevan, Cyprus capital Nicosia, Morocco capital Rabat, Algeria capital Algiers, Tunisia capital Tunis, Libya capital Tripoli, Egypt capital Cairo, Sudan capital Khartoum, Chad capital N'Djamena, Niger capital Niamey, Mali capital Bamako, Mauritania capital Nouakchott, Cape Verde capital Praia, Senegal capital Dakar, Gambia capital Banjul, Guinea-Bissau capital Guinea, Guinea capital Conakry, Sierra Leone capital Freetown, Liberia capital and Monrovia. Cote d'Ivoire's capital Yamoussoukro, Burkina Faso capital Ouagadougou, Ghana capital Accra, Benin, Togo capital Lome, Benin capital Port Novo, Nigeria capital Abuja, Cameroon capital Yaoundé, Equatorial Guinea capital Malabo, Sao Tome Principe capital Sao Tome, Gabon capital Libreville, Congo capital Brazzaville, Central Africa Republic of capital Bangui, Central Congo Democratic of Kinshasa capital Kinshasa, Uganda capital Kampala, Ethiopia capital Addis Ababa, Eritrea capital Asmara, Djibouti capital Djibouti, Somalia capital Mogadishu, Kenya capital Nairobi, Tanzania capital Dodoma, Rwanda capital Kigali, Burundi capital Bujumbura, Zambia capital Lusaka, Angola capital Luanda, Botswana capital Gaborone, Botswana capital Gaborone, Botswana, Zimbabwe Harare, Malawi Lilongwe, Mozambique Maputo, Swaziland Mbane, Lesotho, Maseru, Southern Africa Pretoria, Madagascar Antananarivo, Comoros Moroni, Seychelles Victoria, Mauritius capital Port Louis, Union France capital Saint Denis, Mayotte capital Moscow, Russia westward capital Moscow, Kazakhstan capital Mongolia capital Ulaanbaatar, Kazakhstan capital Alma-Ata, Kyrgyzstan capital Bishkek, Kazakhstan capital Dushanbe, Uzbekistan capital Tashkent, Turkmenistan capital Ashgabat, Turkey Ankara, Syrian Damascus, Israel, Beirut, Israel,
Jerusalem.
Lebanon, Beirut, Israel, Jerusalem, Jordan, Amman, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Yemen, Sanaa, Oman, Muscat, UAE capital, Abu Dhabi, Qatar capital, Doha, Bahrain capital, Almania, Kuwait capital, Kuwait, Iraq capital, Baghdad, Iran capital, Tehran, Afghanistan capital, Kabul, Pakistan capital, Islamabad, India capital, Delhi, Maldives capital, Male, Sri Lanka capital, Colombo, Nepal capital, Kathmandu, Bhutan capital, Thimphu, Bangladesh capital, Dhaka, China capital, Beijing, Hong Kong capital, Hong Kong, Macau capital, Macau, South Korea capital, Pyongyang, North Korea capital, Seoul, Japan capital, Tokyo, Chinese Taipei capital, Taipei, Laos capital, Hanoi, Vietnam capital, Hanoi, Laos capital, Vientiane, Cambodia capital, Phnom Penh, Thailand capital, Bangkok, Myanmar capital, Yaoundé, Malaysia capital, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore capital, Singapore, Brunei Darussalam capital, Bandar Seri Begawan, Philippines capital, Manila, Indonesia capital, Jakarta, Christmas Island, The Settlement, Focus Island, West Island, Timor-Leste capital, Dili, Northern Marine Island, Saipan, Marshall Island, Majuro, Micronesia capital, Palikir, Pulau capital, Kiror, Guam capital, Agana, Solomon Islands, Port Moresby, Nauru capital, Yaoundé, Solomon Island, Honiara, Vanuatu capital, Port Vila, New Caledonia capital, Naomi, Australia capital, Canberra, New Zealand capital, Wellington, Fiji capital, Suva, Togo capital, Nuku'alofa, Niue capital, Alofi, Cook Island, Egona, American Samoa, Pago Pago, Samoa, Apia, Wallis and Futuna Island, Mata Utu, Tuvalu capital, Funafuti, Kiribati capital, Bairiki, Tahiti capital, Papiti. Thank you.